Dear students, welcome to Krishna classes. I hope you have already seen the video explaining this chapter. In this video, we will focus only on the question answers. If you like the video, do hit the like button and share it with your friends and classmates. And now let's quickly move forward and discuss question answers of the COP and the anthem. What are some of the signs of approaching winter referred to in the text? The signs of the approaching winter are the movement of birds to warm south, the woolens needed by the people, and the dead leaves covering the ground. Write true or false against each of the following. Soapy didn't want to go to prison. False, he wanted to go to prison. Soapy had been to prison several times. True. It was not possible for Soapy to survive in the city through the winter. True. Soapy hated to answer questions of a personal nature. True. What was Soapy's first plan? Why did it not work? Soapy's first plan was that he would go to eat at a restaurant and would then tell them he had no money. They would immediately call a cop who would arrest him. But as soon as he put his foot inside the restaurant, the waiters blocked his entry. Thus his first plan did not work. But the cop's mind would not consider Soapy. What did the cop not consider and why? The policeman did not believe that Soapy had broken the window glass. The reason was that a criminal would not stop and talk to a policeman. We have orders to let them shout. What is the policeman referring to? The policeman means to say that he had got orders not to arrest the unruly and shouting college students. Write true or false against each of the following. Soapy stole a man's umbrella. True. The owner of the umbrella offered to give it to Soapy. True. The man had stolen the umbrella that was now Soapy's. This is false. The man had taken the umbrella from a restaurant, but it was not Soapy's. Fourth, Soapy threw away the umbrella. True. Why did Soapy move restlessly on his seat? Soapy was a homeless and jobless man. Cold winter was approaching fast. He was lying on his seat in Madison Square. He had to find some way to face the cold. Therefore, he moved restlessly on his seat. What were Soapy's hopes for the winter? Soapy didn't have high hopes for the winter. He had no thought of sailing away on a ship. He was not thinking of southern skies or of the Bay of Naples. He hoped to spend 3 months in the prison on Blackwell's Island. Why did Soapy not like to go to his known persons? Soapy didn't want to go to his known persons because he thought that they would ask personal questions from him, and he was not ready to answer all their questions about his life. Why did Soapy like to go to the prison? Soapy was a proud man. He thought that a gentleman's own life was still his own life in prison. He considered the prison a better place than the houses of his known people. Therefore, he liked to go to the prison where he would get both food and shelter during the cold weather and where he wouldn't be compelled to take a bath if he didn't want to. Why did Soapy hope to get food at a large and brightly lighted restaurant? Soapy looked all right above his legs. His face was clean. His coat was good enough. The part of his body that would be seen above the table would look all right. So he hoped to get food at a large and brightly lighted restaurant. Describe the ways by which Soapy tries to be arrested by a cop. वो सारे तरीके बताइए जिनके द्वारा सोपी ने खुद को अरेस्ट करवाने का प्रयास किया. Number 1. He tries to eat at an expensive restaurant for free. वो एक महंगे रेस्टोरेंट में फ्री में खाना खाने की कोशिश करता है. Number 2. He throws a stone on a store window. वो एक दुकान की खिड़की पर पत्थर फेंकता है. 3. He eats dinner at a restaurant without paying. वो एक रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाता है और फिर पेमेंट करने से मना कर देता है. 4. He dances and shouts in the streets. वो सड़क पर नाचता है, चिल्लाता है. 5th. He steals a man's umbrella. वो एक आदमी का छाता चुरा लेता है. Describe the main character of the story. Main character is, as you know, Soapy. There are changes in Soapy's life before hearing the music and after hearing the music. Let's see those changes. 1. He tries to steal a meal. खाना चुराने की कोशिश करता है कि रेस्टोरेंट में जाकर के फ्री में खाना खा सके. 2. Takes a man's umbrella. एक आदमी का छाता ले लेता है. Breaks a window. खिड़की तोड़ता है. Wants to spend the winter at Blackwell's Island. और ये चाहता है कि वो अपना जाड़ा ब्लैकवेल के आइलैंड में बिता सके. But after hearing the music, he wants to get a job. वो काम की तलाश करेगा ऐसा सोचता है. Wants to find his purpose in life. अपने जीवन का उद्देश्य ढूंढना चाहता है. Wants to be somebody in the world. दुनिया में कुछ बनना चाहता है. But alas, he is arrested by a cop. वो अरेस्ट हो जाता है. How is Soapy planning to get to Blackwell's Island? Soapy Blackwell के आइलैंड जाने की कोशिश कैसे कर रहा है? Answer is, Soapy plans to be arrested by a cop. सोपी का प्लान ये है कि वो किसी पुलिस वाले के द्वारा गिरफ्तार हो जाएगा और जज उसे ब्लैकवेल के आइलैंड में भेज देगा. He will then be sent to prison on Blackwell's Island. What does Soapy hear that makes him change his mind about being arrested? सोपी ऐसा क्या सुनता है जिसकी वजह से उसका दिमाग परिवर्तित होता है और वो सोचता है कि अब वो अपने जीवन को बदलेगा और वो गिरफ्तार होने के बारे में नहीं सोचता है. Answer is, he hears music coming from a home. What happens at the end of the story? Story के एंड में क्या होता है? Soapy decides to change his life, but then a cop arrests Soapy. He is sent to Blackwell's Island. Soapy डिसाइड करता है वो अपनी लाइफ चेंज करेगा, पर तभी उसे एक पुलिस वाले के द्वारा गिरफ्तार कर दिया जाता है. He is sent to Blackwell's Island और फिर उसे ब्लैकवेल के आइलैंड भेज दिया जाता है. Dear children, I do hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please do provide your valuable feedback through the comments section. Many thanks for watching.